Hey, Happy New Year. I know it's a little too late, but hey, it's never late, right? Well, I hope this year started on an amazing note for you. Now, I'm actually inviting you in this video to participate in this challenge. At the start of 2018, here is what I want you to focus on. And if you accept the challenge, I am 100% sure that you will thank me 20-25 years down the line. So here is what the challenge is. The challenge is to make an additional 5,000 rupees each month using your digital marketing skills. Now you can do anything. You can do drop shipping. You can start your own store. You can sell on Amazon. You can sell t-shirts online. You can do freelancing. You can do affiliate marketing. You can do whatever you like, right? Use any digital marketing strategy in the world there is to make an additional 5,000 rupees. Now, of the additional 5,000 rupees that you make, that doesn't go in your pocket, or that doesn't even go in buying alcohol, smoke, coffee, or whatever, online shopping. Nope. The 5,000 additional rupees that you make each month needs to go into an investment account where you get compound interest, right? If you hate finance or maths, I know it's a little difficult concept to grab, but let me simplify it. The additional 5,000 rupees that you make goes into an investment account. Again, like different investment options, SIP, or we could talk about that in another video. Or you could consult your, finance advisor or whoever. But make sure that it has a compound interest factor. The beauty of compound interest is the longer you invest, the more you end up making. So with this rate, the 5,000 comes in directly without coming into your hands. It directly is deducted and goes into your investment account. Keep it on for at least 20 years. Just do this, forget about it, live your life as you're living now, right? So this is just something we do on the side to build our retirement portfolio. Because a lot of people keep asking me, is digital marketing a great career option for the future? Well, the answer really depends, and it depends on how well you are equipped with your skills, where technology moves in the next 10-20 years, and there are a lot of other factors. But here is what I know. If you take advantage of compound interest and your digital marketing skills at the moment, I can guarantee that you will retire financially stable and financially happy. That's what the focus is for 2018. That's a challenge, and I implore you to take up the challenge, because we live in times where we look for instant gratification. We want to, get the money now, spend it now, online shopping, buy a new phone, clothes, gadgets, and a lot of other stuff. So it's really, we don't focus on the long run, and that's why I am, pushing you to focus on the long run. And so if you are accepting the challenge, pretty awesome. And I'm sure that once you accept the challenge and in the future, you would thank me. That's the first video for 2018. And if you already haven't joined our Facebook group, make sure you do, because that's where most of the discussion on this challenge is going to happen. So if you don't know where to find the group, is digital marketing training and jobs. There are a lot of different groups by the same name, which is the beauty of Facebook group. People copy. So to find the right group, one, you obviously will see my picture, the pompous picture, or number two, go to my Facebook page. If you're already watching this on Facebook, just click on the view group button. If you're watching this on YouTube, make sure to go to our Facebook page, which is The Marketing Nerds, and you will find the button which has the option to join the group. And if you're watching this in the group, you are at the right place. So on that note, I look forward to talking to you soon. Have an awesome new year. Bye-bye.